The humble dandelion. Nature's underappreciated wonder. When most people see a dandelion, they think of it as a pesky weed that invades their perfectly manicured lawns. But this humble plant, with its cheerful yellow flowers and fluffy seed heads, is so much more than a nuisance. Let's dive into the fascinating world of dandelions and discover why they deserve our appreciation. A plant with ancient roots. Dandelions have been around for about 30 million years, originating in Eurasia before spreading across the globe. Their name comes from the French dandelion, meaning lion's tooth, a nod to their jagged leaves. These resilient plants can grow almost anywhere, from cracks and rocks to pristine meadows. Nature's multivitamin. One of the most remarkable aspects of dandelions is their nutritional value. Every part of the plant is edible and packed with vitamins A, C, and K. From roots to flowers, dandelions offer a natural source of nutrients that have been recognized for centuries. Medicinal marvel. Dandelions aren't just nutritious, they're also medicinal powerhouses. Traditional healers have long used dandelions for various ailments, and modern science is starting to catch up. Some potential benefits include anti-inflammatory effects, blood sugar regulation, and liver support. They also improve digestive health and give support to your cardiovascular health. One popular way to harness the benefits of dandelions is through dandelion leaves and root tea. I put a link in the description to a low-cost dandelion tea that comes in bags ready to brew. Ecological importance. Beyond their benefits to humans, dandelions play a crucial role in our ecosystems. They're often the first plants to colonize disturbed areas, helping to prevent soil erosion. Their early spring flowers provide vital nectar for pollinators when few other food sources are available. Growing your own dandelions. Believe it or not, you can cultivate your own dandelions at home. Whether in your garden or indoors, growing dandelions is relatively simple. Optimal growing conditions. Sow seeds from early spring to early fall. They can be planted indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost or outdoors after the last frost. Soil should be rich and fertile, well-draining, and slightly alkaline. The best soil should be soft and loose, and the depth at least 10 inches to accommodate deep taproots. Full sun is great, but partial shade produces better-tasting greens. When planting seed, space them 6 to 9 inches apart and 12 inches between the rows. Place seeds on the soil surface, as they require light to germinate. The soil temperature should be at least 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Seedlings typically appear within 10 to 21 days. Planting tips. For salad greens, sow seeds more densely. Consider cold stratifying seeds in refrigerator for a week to boost germination. Keep soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Medical benefits. Dandelions possess numerous medicinal properties that have been recognized in traditional medicine and are now being studied scientifically. Here are some of the key medicinal properties of dandelions. Anti-inflammatory effects. Dandelions contain compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. This property could potentially aid in managing chronic inflammatory conditions. Antioxidant properties. The entire dandelion plant, including roots, leaves, and flowers, contains various antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that dandelion may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting those with type 2 diabetes. The bioactive compounds in dandelions might aid in insulin secretion and glucose absorption. Cardiovascular health. Dandelions may contribute to heart health in several ways. They potentially reduce cholesterol levels. They help to manage blood pressure due to their diuretic properties. They contain potassium, which can help relax blood vessels. Liver support. Some research indicates that dandelion may help improve liver function by reducing excess fat stored in the liver. It helps protect against oxidative stress and promote bile production. Immune system support. Dandelion's antioxidant properties and high vitamin content may help boost the immune system. Antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Some test tube studies suggest that dandelion extract may have antimicrobial and antiviral effects, potentially aiding the body in fighting infections. Skin health. Preliminary research indicates that dandelion extract may protect against skin damage caused by sunlight and aging. Effective ways to consume dandelions. Dandelion root tea. Roasted dandelion root can be brewed into a tea, which serves as a caffeine-free alternative to coffee. This preparation may support liver function and aid digestion. Dandelion greens. Consuming raw young dandelion greens in salads or cooking them can provide various health benefits. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K as well as iron. Dandelion flower tincture. Creating a tincture from dandelion flowers may offer antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This can be made by steeping the flowers in high-proof alcohol for at least 2 weeks. Dandelion flower infusion. An oil infusion made from dandelion flowers can be used externally for joint and muscle pain, as well as skin issues. This preparation may contain terexasterol, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Whole plant consumption. Utilizing all parts of the dandelion, roots, leaves, and flowers, in various preparations can provide a range of benefits, including potential support for liver health, digestion, and as a diuretic. Embracing the dandelion. From their deep taproots to their wind-borne seeds, dandelions are truly remarkable plants. Next time you see a dandelion, instead of reaching for the weed killer, consider embracing this versatile, beneficial, and beautiful plant. Who knows? You might just find yourself brewing a cup of dandelion tea or adding some fresh dandelion greens to your next salad. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using dandelion or any herb for medicinal purposes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.